IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores.
Who is your favorite actor or actress?
Band 5. Answer.
My favorite actor is Leonardo DiCaprio. I like him because he is very famous and acts in many movies. I think he is good at acting, and his movies are interesting.
Why is this a band 5?
Fluency and coherence, simple ideas, limited expansion, lexical resource, basic vocabulary, for example, good, interesting. Grammar, mostly simple sentences. Pronunciation, generally clear but not expressive. Typical of a band. 5. Basic, repetitive, limited detail.
Band 7.5. Answer.
My favorite actor is Leonardo DiCaprio because he consistently delivers powerful performances across a wide range of roles. I especially admire how he fully immerses himself in his characters, whether it's in dramatic films or thrillers. His dedication to his craft really sets him apart from many other actors.
Why is this a band 7.5?
Fluency and coherence, smooth with clear development, lexical resource, good range, for example, immerses, dedication. Grammar, mix of simple and complex structures, pronunciation, clear with natural rhythm. Typical of a band, 7.5, well-developed, flexible language use.
Band 9. Answer.
I'd have to say Leonardo DiCaprio is my favorite actor, largely because of his remarkable versatility and commitment to authenticity. What I find particularly impressive is his ability to embody vastly different characters with such nuance and emotional depth. Whether he's portraying a historical figure or a fictional role, he brings a level of intensity that makes his performances truly unforgettable.
Why is this a band 9?
Fluency and coherence, effortless, highly coherent, lexical resource, sophisticated, for example, versatility, nuance, authenticity. Grammar, wide range, highly accurate. Pronunciation, natural, expressive, engaging, typical of a band. 9. Precise, nuanced, and fully developed.
Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.